Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. Today we're going to take a look at the Tiger Aircraft Factory that was in Martinsburg, Virginia. And those of you who were in the know probably got an invitation like this from Martinsburg, Virginia, from the Tiger Aircraft LLC, inviting you to their rollout at the factory in Martinsburg, Virginia. And this was in 2001, very late in the year. So stay tuned while we show you some more pictures of this event.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
So here's an aerial view of the factory production facility that was in Martinsburg, Virginia, West Virginia, sorry. And after it got auctioned off, it got snapped up by a regional planning group, and now they have the factory. But here's some pictures from the ground level. This was the taxiway coming into the plant. You can see the production door on one side and the supply door on the other, as well as the offices there in the center. So it was a very nice looking location, and it was a nice facility, nice and big on the inside and roomy. And here's a panoramic shot of it, all color corrected. But anyway, this is what it looked like on the ground level with the taxiways coming to the factory. Now let's delve into what's on the inside of the factory. Well, you'll notice in America, because there's a flag and there's a poster of Greg and me, the poster child, with his airplane. Checkers. And then there's the production floor. There's some Tiger engines in the background, and look at all those spars. 7 spars. What they cost today, you're looking at about $100,000 right there, folks. But anyway, this was the factory, and they were going to turn out airplanes, and they did. And here's what the inside looked like going together as they're assembling the cockpit. And you can look back in the pictures from AGAC to see, like, the first thing to go in is the insulation, then the torque tube up front, then the defroster vents, then they start worrying about hanging other stuff. And here's the tail all going together with the trim and all, and the rudder and the control horns and all nice and clean, everything quality controlled and stamped, properly lubed, I'm sure to say. And then here you go, ladies and gentlemen. Here's the airplane as it's being finally assembled, and there's its serial number on it. And then once it's all finished here, it would be going off to the paint shop, and it would get a coat of paint in whatever the colors are going to be. And we have a picture of that. And then here's the interior all in the airplane. And as you can see, the bigger yokes and the quadrant right there. And so now stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen, for what a picture of the new Tiger looked like in flight back in 2001. And there is November 945 Tango Echo. You know, in terms of airplane lines, there's a lot of love and passion for this line of aircraft. American built it, then Gulfstream got it. It went out of business, then AGAC took it over, and they produced airplanes for a while. Then they went out of business, and then Tiger bought it, and they produced airplanes and went out of business. So, ladies and gentlemen, it says a lot for our brand of aircraft, how popular they are when they are available. So, ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman.